and we ran into an issue. Definitely some dirtiness on it. Alright, y'all. Precision Pressure Wash. We're back with another video. Let me show you what we got today. Alright, so first off, we got this front porch area. As you can see, it's pretty dirty. We're gonna hit it for them. And you come down, and you got this dirty, nasty walkway here. I mean, you can see how black it is. Definitely needs a clean. Probably come up here and post-treat it with the 5%, just so we don't have to mess around with it. To the driveway. It's a pretty small driveway, but it does have sidewalks and a gutter at the bottom, so it'll be a decent amount of surface cleaning. And we ran into an issue. The customer's water pressure was not good enough for the pressure cleaner, and it wasn't putting out enough water. Started suffocating the hose. It just wasn't pulling enough. So what we had to do is we had to fill up our tank. We're still filling it up here. We have to pull straight from the tank because that's the only way we can get enough water at this job, because their water supply was not putting out enough water for us.
It's always something.
Yeah, it's always something. But we're gonna have to get this done before we run out of water. It's good that we can get constant water put in the tank when we're working, so it gives us some extra time, but not a ton. So we gotta get working, y'all. And something we're pretty nervous about is we've never surface cleaned pulling from the tank, so we don't really know what to expect.
Only when we're soft washing and we've applied the chemical with this, and we just use it to rinse.
Yeah, we just use it for rinsing off usually.
We're about to find out together.
Yep.
Stay tuned, YouTube.
It's gonna be an exciting one. Alright, y'all, so like I said, we're also gonna hit this real black stuff up here with 5% before we surface clean it. And then we're hitting the rest of the driveway pre-treat.
I'll actually do a test piece, guys. I'll go ahead and do 1 or 2 squares or one, and we'll see if it makes a difference. That's what we'll do. The hose is probably putting in 2 gallons a minute, so we're like, we don't want to get behind.
Yeah, this is really a race against the clock here. Trying not to run out of water.
It can never just be easy.
Alright, y'all. Just wrapped up the first job. See? Red door. Colored doors always come out nicely. Front porch looking real clean. Come down. Y'all remember how black these were? Obviously, I'll put up a screenshot because it was insane right here. And I know I told y'all we were gonna hit it with 5% pre-treat, but we didn't even have to. It just came off with the surface cleaner. There was like minimal tanning spots underneath. Obviously, we just got rid of that with the 5%, but we did not have to pre-treat with no 5. Come down here, look at the driveway. Big difference, man. Big difference. Sidewalks, good. Drainage wasn't the best here, unfortunately. We did what we could do. It was like the ocean down here till we tended to it. Now it's just like a stream. But that's the first job wrapped up. Headed about an hour away for the second job. It's a house that was on a previous video. We cleaned their house. Now they want the fence cleaned in the back. So we're gonna go knock that out for them. Stay tuned, y'all. All right, y'all. The second job should be a quick one. Let me show you what we got. All right, here's the fence. Definitely some dirtiness on it, but compared to that one fence we did a couple videos ago, this should be light work. Come on here. It's really only the left side of the fence that's dirty. There's some little spots here. I mean, you see it here. Little tiny spots. Probably bleeding through from the other side of the fence, but we got all this taken care of. This is the house where I did my first ever walkthrough. We've been here before, so let's get it done. All right, y'all, we're hitting it with the downstream. Anything that's left over is gonna get hit with the 5%. Like I said, this side's the cleanest. Not much dirt or grime on it, nothing like that.
Good, guys.
Would you look at that? No 5% needed. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is the finished fence. Like I said, we got lucky and didn't even have to bust out the 5%. This thing cleaned up nice. And man, this thing's shiny, man. I don't know if I've seen a fence this shiny before. Jeez. Also step back, throw up a screenshot of what this thing looked like beforehand, because it was pretty bad right here. This fence is pretty new, I'm pretty sure, so it definitely helped us out a bit. We're like 200 years old, from the prehistoric ages. This thing cleaned up nicely. No 5% needed. The way to the edge here. Alright, y'all, that's it for this video. It's been Precision Pressure Wash. If you liked what you saw, like, subscribe, comment. Catch you on the next one, man.